All right. We're gonna do this. Yes. And did you want to do the presentation or do you just want a tour? Problem.
Yeah.
All right. So it is 2:37. We've got about like 6 minutes, and
Jinky at Manny Pacquiao sumama sa school tour ni Queenie. Ngayon nga ang unang pagpasya nila sa eskwelahan kung saan papasok na si Queenie. Dito nga mag-aaral si Queenie sa Loyola University sa Chicago. Napakaganda at napakalaking school nito. Inabutan pa nga ng ulan ang Pacquiao team. Kaya naman, diretso pa rin sila sa pag-ikot dahil nga ito ang kauna-unahan nilang punta. Wrong timing araw, sabi ni Madam Jinky. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Okay lang kahit umulan, nandiyan naman si Manny Pacquiao para magpayong sa may bahay na si Jinky. Tuloy ang campus tour.
and the tours will go out. So instead of joining the presentation, you can just have a seat. Enjoy what we can see at the lakefront right now. And then one of the tour guides will call your name and take you out with one of the groups to show you the campus. And then if you do have questions, your admissions counselor, his name is Joe. Just come back and ask for him and we'll answer those questions. Okay, yeah. Welcome to Loyola. Did you park in the garage?
No.
Wala kagwapo sa
At syempre, nag-retouch-retouch nga itong si Madam Jinky dahil nga medyo nabasa ang kanyang mukha sa pag-ulan nga sa labas. Pero kahit na umuulan, tuloy pa rin ang campus tour dahil gustong-gusto talaga nilang malibot ang school ni Queenie.
hindi pwede na walang pwesto.
So your dad grew up, your dad went to school here also?
Yes, yeah.
So do you mind?
We're going to head on out to these doors. Yeah, that's going to be more for our athletes. We're about to pass our student recreation center. Now we are on one of Loyola's 5 campuses. This is our Lakeshore campus, of course appropriately named because we are right alongside Lake Michigan. As we exit out through these doors, I definitely encourage you to take a look at our beautiful horizon view. I get to pass that every day on my way to class. It never gets older of those. Feel free to ask, but otherwise, I'm pretty familiar with the other majors as well, so don't shy away. And then I'm originally from Schaumburg, Illinois, so if you're familiar with any of the Chicago suburbs, that's around where I'm from. And then aside from being a tour guide, my extracurriculars include being the president of Delta Phi Lambda Sorority Incorporated. I do a lot of singing, dancing, and volunteering work with our Filipino club here at Loyola. I am a research assistant in a psychology research lab, so if you have any questions about research at Loyola, regardless of major, I can answer those too. And then I know that interdisciplinary honors applications usually go out alongside the applications to Loyola, so if you have any questions about those, feel free to let me know. But other than that, that is pretty much it for my introduction. Now, if we would like to have our students. So we have 3 groups with us today. It's a little bit of a larger tour, so it'll be a little bit of a party. How are we all doing today? I know we have some traveling from the Philippines. Are any of you out of state traveling today?
New milestone nga ito para kay Queenie Pacquiao. 3 batch nga sila na sabay-sabay na umikot sa campus ng Loyola University sa Chicago. Okay na okay naman kina Jinky ang school dahil safe na safe nga si Queenie dito at sobrang laki talaga. For sure, the tour guide will be thrilled to tell her whole family she got to guide the Pacquiaos. She'll probably get to see firsthand how down to earth they are, especially si Queenie. Nakakatuwa dahil si Pacquiao mismo ang itinutour ng tour guide ng school. Kaya naman, napaka-blessed ng school to have Pacquiao family. Welcome to Windy City. We always pass by Loyola University every day mula kay Chef Rachel. Windy City nga ang tawag nila dito sa Chicago.
Sorry?
No, they're here in Chicago. Yeah. He's trying to get her to go, but she's like, you know, but one day.
Yeah.
Or no, maybe they'll retire down there.
Sobrang down to earth ng mag-asawang Pacquiao. Talagang swerte rin ang mga magiging kaibigan nga nitong si Queenie sa kanyang bagong school dahil hindi nila alam talagang napakasikat at world class ang tatay nito na si Mr. Manny Pacquiao. Talaga namang napakaganda ng school at syempre blessed ang school dahil sikat na sikat ang mga nagpupunta roon. Na naman sa mga taga-subaybay ng Pacquiao family mula pa sa Chicago, welcome to the beautiful campus of Loyola University, a prestigious college sitting right along Lake Michigan. Be prepared in wintertime though it can be cold. Mula naman kay Josh Jack, God bless you former Senator Manny for sending your children to top schools in the US. Education is wealth which can't be stolen. Mula naman kay Isabel Mello, such a pleasure to guide you on today's tour. Thank you for being such a great group and bearing with the weather. Hope you all enjoy the rest of your stays in Chicago. Best wishes of Queenie's move in. Go Ramblers!
Did you want to do the presentation or did you just want a tour? Problem. Yeah. All right, so it is 2:37. We've got about like 6 minutes and then the tours will go out. So instead of joining the presentation, you can just have a seat. Enjoy what we can see at the lakefront right now. And then one of the tour guides will call your name and take you out with one of the groups.